Think for a minute about what your favorite special edition Apple Watch band is. There have been quite a few over the years, and I'm sure that almost every bandaholic out there will have at least one of them. Well, you can forget about all of those because there's a new special edition band out there and it blows the rest completely out of the water. You heard me right. The all-new Black Unity Sportloop is here, and we're going to take a close look at this amazing all-new band, go over what makes it special, and, of course, you'll be able to see how this band looks across multiple watch casings and colors. As is tradition around here, I'll also be giving one of these away to one of you, so be sure to stick around until the end to learn how you can get your own Black Unity Sportloop just for watching this video. You know, ever since Apple artificially has created a band drought, us bandaholics only get to splurge every 6 months now. Before it was every single season. In other words, every 3 months. So given that we haven't seen any new bands since September, let's just say that I'm ecstatic, and I'm sure other band lovers are as well. Right before we dive right into the action, I want to quickly remind you all that my good friend Mike and I host Club 09 on Discord, the fastest growing Apple Watch and watch band collectors community, where you can talk with other bandaholics, show off your bands, find deals, and even learn about prototypes you don't even know existed. If this sounds like something for you, the link to join, as always, is in the video description down below. With all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and start unboxing this beauty. Here it is, the Black Unity Sportloop. If you're anything like me, you've been waiting somewhat impatiently for the past year in anticipation of this band. And ladies and gentlemen, boy was it worth it. This band features a unique pattern unlike anything we have ever seen in a limited release band. This design was inspired by the process of mosaic, which Apple says symbolizes the vibrancy of black communities and the power of unity. The word unity is woven abstractly into the band itself using these black yarns that actually sit elevated above the red and green colors, adding a sense of three-dimensionality to the band, similar to the Pride Sportloop we saw just last year. It also is accompanied by its own unique watch face dubbed the Unity Mosaic. The watch face has very large numbers made up of abstract geometric shapes resembling a mosaic masterpiece, so even those that don't have their glasses on should be able to tell the time. Keyword, should, unless you're blind as a bat. This watch face comes with a matching iPhone wallpaper, which, come to think of it, the wallpaper oddly reminds me of the Google Pixel 5a's default wallpaper. Can you see some similarities? Yes, Google's version has some different colors, but for some reason they look similar, at least to me. But the symbolism of the colors is crucial to Apple's intended message. The Unity Mosaic watch face, just like the band, features a conglomerate of mostly 4 colors: red, green, yellow, and black. And these colors combined are referred to as the Pan-African colors. Many African nations utilize these exact colors on their national flags, such as Burkina Faso, Ghana, Ethiopia, Mali, and Zimbabwe, just to name a few. It's a way for these nations to self-identify with each other, and is the reason Apple chose these colors for this awesome special edition band that carries such a positive message. The Unity Sportloop is the new successor to the braided solo loop of last year and the third Unity band within this collection, the Sport band being the first that was released back in 2021, alongside a limited edition Black Unity Series 6, featuring special engraving. Just like the Pride bands, Apple is making it a yearly tradition to offer these Unity bands as a stand against systemic racism and expanding access to economic, educational, and creative opportunities for communities of color. Just like the other Unity bands, this one includes red and green yarns which pay homage to the Pan-African flag, as I previously mentioned. The Unity Sportloop even includes yellow despite not having any actual yellow yarn woven into it. Instead, the yellow comes from an overlap of red and green yarns woven closely together to create the illusion of yellow, which in my opinion is just absolutely sick. I didn't realize this fact until I was on the treadmill. I really thought I was tripping until I took a closer look. From a distance though, the band appears to clearly have yellow, but when you look closer, nope. It's actually green and red yarn. Again, very dope and an awesome illusion. The underside of this band is relatively plain, only hosting the red and green stripes flanking either side with black yarn throughout the center. Interestingly, the underside looks eerily similar to the Libyan flag, which is in Africa, but more or less identifies with the Arab countries and, as a matter of fact, is a part of the Arab League. We have our Black Unity badge under the Velcro, a standard touch for all special edition bands, and our plastic lugs are black. So this makes pairing this band up with almost any Apple Watch color very easy, especially on the darker casing colors. I mean, just check this band out paired up with the Space Black Titanium or even Midnight. Just looks awesome. But the band also pairs up quite well with other casing colors and materials such as the Product Red watch, the standard silver stainless steel Apple Watch, and of course, the big boy. You already know what I'm talking about, the Apple Watch Ultra. Especially with the all-new mosaic watch face that is simply the cherry on top. Let me know down below which casing color or material you think looks best paired up with this awesome new band. Speaking of the all-new watch face, something you might miss is the inclusion of more color options this year. Adding more color options to the face like blue and purple, something no other Unity face has really done and is specific to the ultra-modern Unity mosaic. The following comes directly from Apple. Quote, "As the minutes change, each number uses pieces of other numbers to morph into new forms." This is simply an awesome touch and goes to show just how much Apple pays attention to detail. Portions of the proceeds from this band will go towards organizations that help provide equal economic, educational, and creative opportunities in the communities of color, as is standard with the Unity bands. So what are you waiting for? Everything about this band is amazing. It celebrates Unity, hence its name, duh. It's on the cheaper end of Apple's lineups, coming in at just $49 a pop, and it's a unique special edition band that is something like we've never seen before. Ladies and gents, I'm proud to have all three in my collection, and actually, all three variants are still currently available on Apple's website. So it's not too late to complete the collection and pick up all three of these gems. And if you do already have all three, then you might just be as big of a bandaholic as I am, and that's okay, because I believe everyone should have this band. It's a worthy release of a band in celebration of Black History Month. And to spread the love and celebration, like I said at the beginning, that's right, you could win a Black Unity Sport Loop of your very own right here on TheJuan&Only. If you've made it to the end of the video, I first want to thank you all so very much. Making these band videos for you guys and showcasing the bands in different lighting conditions, as well as different casing materials and colors, allows many who don't have an Apple store nearby to see the bands in a more authentic setting. My goal with every one of these videos is for you guys to always make a more informed decision, as well as having a good time discussing one of my favorite hobbies ever, which of course is band collecting. I truly love this community so much, and I'm so glad Apple pays homage to individuals from all aspects of life and celebrates diversity. In order to enter for a chance to have one of these bands delivered to you free of charge, courtesy of TheJuan&Only, simply follow these very simple steps. Number 1, make sure you're subscribed to my channel with bell notifications. This ensures you're always up to date on all my recent releases, and because we can assume we'll have a fresh batch of bands for the spring season, you'll definitely not want to miss out on that, as I will 100% be giving away even more bands. Number 2, destroy the like button. I know it sounds cliche, but it truly helps the algorithm pick this video up and show it to others who may full well be in the transition to a fully fledged bandaholic. You never know. And finally, number 3, drop a comment letting me know which is your all-time favorite special edition band. There are several at this point. You got the Pride bands, the Unity bands, the International Collection bands, Close Your Ring bands, and so many more. If you don't know of any special edition bands, then maybe you should head over to Club 9 and let some of my fellow bandaholics fill you in. Wink, wink. As always, link to the Discord will be in the video description. I'll announce the winner on the very last day of Black History Month, which is February 28th. So be on the lookout for the announcement on my socials. I'll throw up all of my handles on screen right now, and feel free to tweet at me with your very own Unity band collection. As always, guys, it's been a blast bringing you guys these videos, but I do have to clock out for now, seeing as how I have a ton of Apple content lined up for you all, including the new M2 Mac Mini, the new MacBook Pros, the new HomePods, and more soon to follow. Take care, guys. Good luck to all who enter the giveaway, and as always, I can't wait to catch you all in my next video.